The day the lines changed. This is an inspiring story about a line, a pandemic, and how change shapes us all. The green line was a happy line. She lived with her mom and her dad and her sister and brother. The grandmother lived with them too. She went to school. And on the weekends, her family went to the town square. Then one day, some of the orange lines in town became crooked. And then it also happened to the purple lines. The green family was worried they might become crooked as well. Fortunately, most of the lines who became crooked were able to straighten out again. Unfortunately, many older lines became so crooked that they fell apart. The lines weren't sure what to do. In order to protect the older lines from becoming crooked, they decided to stop meeting altogether. The children were no longer able to go to school. And the town square was empty. The green line was worried. Would their lives ever be the same again? But then something happened. Something exciting. One line made a spot which stopped the lines from becoming crooked. Soon, all the lines wanted to go get a spot. The lines got in a line. The younger lines let the older lines go first. The green line could go to school again, and on the weekends, her family went to the town square. The green line was happy again.